African National Congress Secretary General Fikile Mbalula has fired a warning shot at Democratic Alliance, declaring that any attempt to table a motion of no confidence against President Cyril Ramaphosa would mark the end of their cooperation with the Government of National Unity. Mbalula's comments come amid rising tensions between the ANC and the DA, latest threat to hold Ramaphosa accountable for what it calls a failure to act decisively on corruption within his own party. DA leader John Steenhuisen has accused Ramaphosa of turning a blind eye to wrongdoing in ANC ranks, signaling a potential no-confidence motion in parliament. The tension escalated after Ramaphosa ex-DA member and former Deputy Minister Andrew Whitefield, who allegedly undertook an unauthorized diplomatic trip to the United States. Speaking to journalists on the sidelines of OR Tambo Regional Conference on Sunday, Mbalula dismissed the DA's ultimatum and doubled down on Ramaphosa's authority and said if they propose a motion of no confidence, it means they are out of the Government of National Unity. We are behind the president and we are not moved by the threats or ultimatums. Government is not run by ultimatums. They must learn to engage respectfully, not through threats. The DA has issued 48-hour ultimatum demanding that Ramaphosa act against corruption-tainted ANC ministers. After the deadline passed with no action, Steenhuisen announced that the DA would withdraw from national dialogue processes and will vote against any budget allocations for departments led by ANC ministers under a cloud. But Mbalula remains defiant, calling the DA's action political blackmail and accusing the party of attempting to destabilize the Government of National Unity for its own gain, and said they are free to leave if they feel the GNU doesn't serve their interests. You cannot run a relationship based on threats and blackmail. We respect our partners, but we demand respect in return. Mbalula defended Ramaphosa's sacking of Whitefield, saying disrespect by any member of the executive, regardless of party affiliation, will not be tolerated, and said we are not married to the GA. This is coalition, not a merger. We entered this arrangement out of respect for the electorate's will, not because we are at their mercy. He acknowledged that the GNU, which includes 10 political parties, is a fragile structure, but said the ANC anticipated this complexity from the outset. He suggested that the DA's real aim had been to dominate the Government of National Unity, a plan he claims has backfired, and said the DA never wanted this inclusive GNU. They wanted to trap us, but instead they are the ones stuck now. Despite the growing rift, Mbalula expressed confidence that the GNU will remain intact even if the DA choose to walk away. He said the Government of National Unity will not collapse without the DA. Other parties are eager to step in. They are knocking at the door. As the tensions between the country's two largest parties continue to mount, South Africa's political landscape braces for what could be the first major test for the GNU's durability. Meanwhile, the Deputy President of the Patriotic Alliance, Kenny Kunene, has scoffed at threats by the Democratic Alliance against President Cyril Ramaphosa as the cracks in the Government of National Unity continues to grow. On Sunday, Kunene said Ramaphosa had acted within his powers when he dismissed Deputy Minister of Trade, Industry and Competition, Andrew Whitefield, and said, I want to make it categorically clear that the DA does not hold any cards whatsoever. As the Patriotic Alliance, we will defend the president. We will make sure that we mobilize to ensure that this motion of no confidence against the president must not succeed. Speaking to Newsroom Africa, he said the Democratic Alliance has the propensity to want to be in the media space by bringing motions of no confidence. In Joburg, they sponsored a motion of no confidence against the mayor, knowing exactly that they do not have the numbers. Now they want to do the same with President Ramaphosa. Kunene said the DA's threat of a motion of no confidence must be condemned in the strongest terms. The PA believes Whitefield undermined the president and must be punished. What's your check on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.